Welcome back. This is Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. We're talking about Palantir. Okay, we're talking about it. It already reached all-time highs the other day on Thursday. So this stock is in focus. A lot of people are looking at it. Right now we're trading in at $36.51. All right, I drew some trend lines here so you would see what it's looking like. I'm going to explain it briefly. We're going to get into it. A viewer was asking me about this stock. I said, let me go back and talk about it real quick. You see here, we have resistance at this trend line, okay? We broke above it here. Will we hold above it and then keep going up? Or will we fall back in? You've seen a lot of times it fell back in, all right? Now we're above. But it's possible, so this is the point, it's possible to stay above that line and keep going up into the sunset. But remember that you have retouched all-time highs. Let me show you. Okay, I moved the chart in real quick so you can see in the past, this is the highest the stock ever got, all right? It started around here. Here we go. This is the top. So we're here in the same section, When that happens now, it'll take a lot for it to just keep going. It could though, it could. But, you know, when it was here before, it did sell and it went down. So I wanted to make sure you knew that. So the question that the person was asking, oh, should I sell now? Well, I can't tell you what to do. Clearly not a financial advisor or anything like that. But sometimes, you know, when people have a decision, they don't know which way to go. You could do a little bit of both. You could sell a little up here so you know you have some profit in case it drops all the way back here. And I'm not saying this is going to catch a support here, because you see this circle, this open area right there between this red candle and this green candle. That's called a gap. It may come down to fill that gap. That's the thing. Okay, that's the thing that stocks do. So it can come back down, fill the gap. All right. So Palantir could come to $30 to $32 again. Let me just make this line a little smaller. Coming down, fill the gap, keep going, and then catching here at $30 for support, as we did before in this area, consolidating. So you can sell a little bit up here if you want, and then you could wait when it comes down here and buy a little bit more to buy in, and then as we, you know, bounce and go up again. Okay. These levels are support at 30. Okay, over here, you see we had a little bit of resistance, so that should be a new support too. So $28.50. Here also, see how we bounce 26. So there's a couple of levels here I marked already out for everybody to know that we have some support levels. Now, this line here that I put is not a true, it's not a true channel. Because you see this candle here is not inside of it. So I just put it there, but this is not, you know, that's not gospel. So don't take that as the gospel. All right. Now down here, this is called the MACD. You see how it's still open. It's supposed to be open, but you see how we're curving and trying to go down a little. When we're doing that, when this curves and goes down, this means this will go down. So it's still kind of open. So don't let it deceive you, because like, look, see how it curved here before? Right here at that area, but then it still went up a little bit more. All right. So even though it looks like, oh, it's just about to go down, you don't know if it's going to pull one of these, this little bump area, and keep going up a little bit more. So it's not all the way closed. I see it does look like we're over the hump, but let me tell you, I mean, they can fool you sometimes too. So maybe you have a little bit more room, or maybe you don't. I just wanted to make sure, you know, brought out all those different levels there, the MACD. Last but not least, if you waited, here you go. Watch this. All right. I put the MACD strategy here on here. So you see, this is still blue. Watch this. See that little arrow? Still blue. It's not red yet. So when it's red, that's the sell signal. Okay. Then blue saying we're going up. Red, we're going down. Blue, we're going up. There's no red yet. There's no red yet. There is no red yet. So maybe you have a little bit of room. So I just wanted to bring you that. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.